Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Revolution Case in black for the iPhone 16 Pro. You can pick this up for the 16 Pro Max. I'll have the links in the description. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. We'll also make sure you can wireless charge. We'll make sure it doesn't add bulk, or if it does, we'll let you know. We'll let you know how the buttons are. We also will let you know, do you get lip protection? Do you get camera protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from Poetic. Pretty much the same they've been using for years now. They're a smaller company too that makes cases, so if you want to pick this up, use the link in the description. Help out a small case company also. They give you two kinds. They give you one with the built-in screen protector, and then you also have the one that comes on there. It also comes without the built-in screen protector. I like the one without the built-in screen protector, but I do love that they give you options for this case. So if you wanted to use the one with the built-in screen protector, you can definitely do so. It had a note on how to take this apart. So you just take it apart right here, and then you kind of just work it around. Don't crack it. Take your time. It will come apart. So this is the top, and then you have the bottom there. Let's start the one with the screen protector so we can check out just how good the sensitivity is on it. Bam. I'm gonna just show y'all this really quick, just for the purpose of it. I don't use the screen protector, I don't like it, but since they gave it to me, let's try it out. So first thing you wanna do is put your phone in like that. Then you take the bottom here, or the second piece, and then work it around. Now I have a glass screen protector on my phone, so that might interfere with the touch sensitivity. But you work it around, make sure you have it all the way down on all the spots there. And there you go, you have the touch screen. And it doesn't work bad. It just feels like you're touching plastic, because you are. But if you want that full protection, I don't even have it down right here. If you want that full protection, you have it. So you have that built-in screen protector and everything else too, with the little camera cover too. And I got my flashlight on. So that is the one with the built-in screen protector. Now the way you take it out is the same thing. You just work it around, and then you just kind of pull your phone off. If you want to, you can come around like this way, and then you just take it off. So let me get the one without the screen protector so we can really review the case. So same thing, you want to put the camera button in there first, like this, and then you just do the same exact thing that y'all seen. I mean, you can work it around. Bam. So you make sure it's all in there. You get a flap for your USB charging port. Everything lines up at the bottom there. You have it cut out for the camera button there. You can see how deep it is though. It's pretty precise though. You can see not much room there. Power button works good. Vine rockers are nice and easy. The action button, easy to press. Man, I like the little grips you have on the corners too. What y'all think about that the camera button? Look at the back of it too. It gives you, do you have camera protection? Yes, because you have it covered. So you have that camera protection there. Also, lip protection you have at the top and the bottom. Bam, you can see it there too. So even with this open, you still have a lot of camera protection. As you can tell there, you have a lot. And then you have a kickstand, which is sturdy. You can watch it like that. You can watch it like that. So many different options. The one thing you don't have is you do not have MagSafe on here. Now, can you wireless charge? We'll check that out. This one does add a little bulk. I'm gonna say it has a little weight to it, but not bad. Again, if you drop your phone a lot, these are the cases you kind of want to pick up. For me, I'm not a big fan of the camera cutout because I just think that it takes some time. If you have little kids, you want to be ready to go. You don't have to slide this out at all. But if you don't, then that might not be a problem. I'm not a big fan of it, but I know people that have cracked their lenses on there, cracked the whole case around it too. So if you drop your phone a lot or prone to dropping it, you may want to pick this up. Now let's see if you can wireless charge. And yes, you can wireless charge, as you can tell there. So overall, it's a solid case from Poetic. Checks off a lot. You get options. You can have the built-in screen protector. If you don't want it, you still get camera protection. Lip protection all the way around. You have camera protection there. The overall fit is good because it is a two-piece case, so it's not going anywhere in there. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have the buttons feel great. So again, it checks off a lot of boxes. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.